Hello and welcome to our SnapSuite tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a client in SnapSuite. Starting on the dashboard, click the orange New button and select New Client from the drop-down. A pop-up window will open. Enter the name of the new client, add the address, billing email, and phone number for the client, and select the customer type and industry. SnapSuite will notify you if a duplicate record, either name or email, already exists in the system, helping to prevent duplicate entries. To add further details to the client's profile, click Edit. You can view and make changes to the information you already entered, as well as add additional locations and contacts. You can also add company-specific equipment and assign it to a particular location. Upload any contracts, specification sheets, or other client-specific documents here. You can also customize the billing and accounts receivable requirements for the client, including linking the client to a parent company, choosing a rate set. There is a section for notes related to account, and a history section that tracks changes made to the client account. That's it! Your new client is ready to go. Watch our other tutorials to learn how to send the client a quote or assign a new work order.